In Attach to Dynamics, we can embed tab and entity record page directly without having to open it from the ribbon button. Here are the steps to create embedded tab in the form of a particular entity. Go to the settings. Then, in Customization, go to the Customize the System. A default solution will open. Now, on the left pane go to the Components, and in Components drop down the Entities. Then select the Forms from Account. That is, the entity you want to create embedded tab for. Under the active form select Account for which form type is main. The Forms window will open. After that, go to Insert tab. In that, insert one column tab anywhere on the form framework. Next go to the Home tab and select Change Properties. With this, a tab properties window will be opened. In this, enter name, and select the following fields. After that, go to the Formatting tab, and select the column as per the requirement. And click on OK. After that, go to Insert tab, and click on Web Resource. In the Web Resource field, select the web resource, and enter name and label. Scroll down and check the Pass Record Object Type Code, and Unique Identifier as Parameters box. Then go to the Formatting tab, and select the number of rows, to increase the height of an user interface, as per requirement. And lastly click on OK. Now go to Home, and click on Save. And then on Publish. Now, navigate to Entity, for which you have configured the form, and open a record. Then, you can see your desired tab embedded in the page. Thank you for watching this video.